Okay, so today we concluded our premium range chocolate class. So basically we've completed our foundation course in chocolate making, which is a 4 days journey. We've done the first day basic, the second day centers, and there are few students who have joined me for the premium range, which is day 1 and day 2, which is your third and fourth day of our master class. So today we've again concluded with our chocolates which were remaining. Yesterday we did about 14-15 varieties. Today we have completed our second half of our class. So today what we did is what we started with our chili chocolate. So that's our chili chocolate. There is chili flakes and there is a design at the bottom. So that's your transfer sheet also and your chili flakes together. So this is your first one today what we started with. This is the drizzle I showed you. So how you can even enhance your chocolates by drizzling and then pouring the chocolate. Okay, we did a rose. We had some red lines and a green leafy look to our rose. How to wrap this and how to put our the tape around, and if in case you want to enhance it more with a bow you can use it. Then we did our inclusion bars. We did 2 inclusion bars today. One is a Thandai with dark chocolate with rose and pistachios. This is the wrapping that I've shown you how to wrap your Thandai chocolate bar. This is a Fruitinut inclusion bar. So it's mixed seeds, nuts and fruits. So it's a combination of all 3, and that's how we call this as a tablet inclusion bar. Then we started with torrons. Now torrons we have done again in 2 different ways. That's a cashew nut torrons in a rock style coated with chocolate. Next is your cashew nut torron in a chocolate tart. Okay, and I have drizzled it with some pistachios. Okay. Then we did almond florentines or florentine. We've done in 3 different ways. This is the open one. Can you see how this looks? Again, this can be wrapped in that rainbow wrappers which I showed you, how we did for our mawa. We can do this. Now this will be your top part and that will be your bottom part because ये आपको ये दिखाना है ऊपर से.
मैम एक सेकंड वीडियो ऑफ हो गई, वो स्पेस खत्म हो गई, 1 मिनट.
हाँ. So that's your open florentine, ठीक है? और ये close. So that's your close florentine. मैंने ऐसे तरह 3 किए हैं. I also forgot to mention we had used our airbrushing technique in our inclusion bar. So you can see the gold spots on top. In this we have taken a combination of metallic dust and silver. So that's how we have got this color. And this is again is our airbrushing technique that we have done. This is without the airbrushing technique. तो कितना फर्क लगता है? This gives you a little matte finish. This gives you a little wet finish. That's the difference between the 2. Then your roca. Okay, we did our roca. So these are 4 barks that we have got. We have a toffee layer which is very thick. We have a salted almonds on the top. Sea salt is an option that you can also drizzle on the top. So we've covered the packaging. Our roca is also done. I showed you the basket wrapping. So this is my basket. So if you want to give it a festive look, you take your basket. You will have a different combinations of bars, florentine, chocolates, your jars where you can put your roca, your assorted chocolates and everything you can put in one hamper and package it well with a net. Similarly, for a little lesser budget, these are your baskets which you'll put paper shredders at the bottom and arrange your chocolate diya, florentines, whatever you wish. That's another tray that we can use it. Assorted chocolate bars, rectangles, bars, discs, whatever you feel you want to use, you can use it. And even your economical packing which I always show you with the potli. So these are your options for your packaging. Not to forget our pan bites. So these are your pan bites. Okay, so I showed you also how to wrap these pan bites. We've discussed the costing of each chocolate now till now. And these are your emblems. You can use your Happy Diwali emblems, a nice attractive flower, nice ribbons. Jitna aap decor kar sakte ho, you can do. See, packaging is the most important thing, the presentation. Then comes your fillings, what you have filled up in your basket or your hamper. So you have to start working on your packaging as well as first you have to decide what all you want to put in each hamper so that you know okay, this is your budget and that's how you're going to put in all these things in one basket or in a box or in a tray.
Yeah.
Anybody would like to share their class experience of your 4 days, of your 2 days?
Was wonderful. Awesome class.
Thank you. Hope I see your creations soon.
Yes. And one request is send me the video of this recap.
Yeah, I will. Sure.
And also which we spoke yesterday, that Osro and all.
The yesterday's recap video?
Recap video and no, the link. which you
Links.
said-
Yeah, I'll send it to the newcomers also. Anybody else? What about you?
It's a wonderful class, Kashish.
Most welcome. And hope I see you doing your work quickly.
Yeah, hopefully.
Yeah. And I'm seeing you again for the Decadent Diwali class. All okay, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah, it was a wonderful class, and we really learned a lot from you.
Thank you.
You're such a nice person, and I
Thanks.
think we should make things, and we'll send you pictures. when
Yes,
we make whatever
please.
we
I
do.
would love to see your work.
And if there's any query, we'll definitely.
Sure.
call you.
Anytime.
Thank you so much.
Yes, you would like to say something?
Whenever you come up with something new and all, just inform me.